Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the rest of the puzzles in the puzzle page, and also in the rest of the puzzles of the additional of the weekend edition. Yes, it's actually today, Monday, December the 11th, 2023, and I've told you earlier we have no extra puzzles in today's newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the weekend edition. The weekend edition of Saturday, December the 9th, 2023. In this puzzle page, we have two puzzles left, the 3 stars and the binary. And in the additional, we have 3 puzzles. I believe the letter Sudoku. Let me see. Yeah, the letter Sudoku. Come on. We have the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the jigsaw Sudoku. Yeah. But let me solve the first one. The 3 stars Sudoku. Well, actually, it's a 1 star because this one has 1 printed. No. This one has 27 printed digits. Yeah, 27. Let me. 27. Yeah. And this will be number 7 600. Yeah. And 27 printed digits should be a 1 star. A 1 star. But it's indicated with 3 stars. And for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If it's a 1 star with 27 printed digits, a 3 stars puzzle has always 25, but this one has 27. Then I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see if this is a 1 star or a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? Alright. How about the 5 in this column? 5 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 9, okay. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. On the last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row, so in the first row. Only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row, so the row above, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see digit number 2, number 1. Alright, and now, yeah, about the 7, the 9, 8, 6, 3, 8, 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is number 8. Here can we 8? We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. Here can be 8. We have an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. So the only place left for 8 in this column should be there. So 3 and 6 are left. 3 and 6 cannot fill this yet. But we have an 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. How about the 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 2, 4, 6. Then 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here's 6 in this row, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be down. 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. 6 there. Alright, and now. Wow. How about that? Need an 8 here. Come on. 9. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row. So no 7 in this box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes. In this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 here. Need a 9 here. Well, we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in this box. So the 9 should be in one of these 3 boxes. So we have a 9 in this column. 9 in one of these 3 boxes. In the column next, so in the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, so we have a 3 here. 3 here. Come on. This is taking too long. No 3 here. Oh, we are where they have 3, 7, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with a 9 in this big square. Should be there. So I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left with a 7 should be there. 7. And I need a 7 there. Okay. And now we have a 9 here. I need a 9 there. And I need a 9 here. Okay. 9 and a 2. 9 and 2. Need a 2 here. Come on, come on. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. 2 and 4 are missing. 2 and 4. I need a 4 here. 2 and a 6. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in this column, second column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1. The 2 is missing. And then, yeah. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. Need a 6 here. And I need a 2 here. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. And look, we have 2 and a 6 in this big square. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 and 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the last column. So the column between, only place left with 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6 and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Let me mark those. Cannot fill this yet. How about here? 2, 6 and a 4. 2, 6, 4. 2, 6, 4. Yeah, should be the 2 and a 4. Well. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in 1 of those 2 boxes in the 3rd column. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this 3rd column. No 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in 1 of those 2 boxes in the 1st row. 6 in the 3rd row. So the row between the 2nd row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers: 1, 2 is missing, and the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this row. 1st row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. We have a 2 in the 3rd row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 box left in the 3rd row for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. We have a 4 in the 3rd column, 4 in the 2nd column. So the 1st column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. So the 2 and the 7 are missing here. 2 and a 7 here. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. Now, we have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left with a 9. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the rest of the 1. The 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left with a 6 should be there. Find out 2 numbers in this big square for the rest of the 1. The 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, not faster. Let me give this a 2 stars. Otherwise it will be a 1 star. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the second puzzle, the binary puzzle in this puzzle page. Yes, until then, bye-bye for now.